What do I need to be thinking of when passing my business to the next generation? I'm George Duby, saving the world from tax, one bow tie at a time. What happens when there are multiple children involved, but not everyone is involved in the business or the real estate empire or investments or whatever the nature of the activities are? How can we treat them fairly? And again, remembering fair does not mean equal. One thing that surprises a lot of people is that we can still, for example, divide a business amongst children, giving them equal value, but not necessarily equal votes. Perhaps one of the children or more are in charge of running the business on behalf of the others, and they receive extra remuneration to reward them for that activity. The business that existed before can still carry on, but now under new management and perhaps new ownership, hopefully there was a period of mentorship that was involved, but there's not necessarily a requirement to lock out the children that were not directly involved in the business. Perhaps other liquid assets or insurance planning or other items may create alternative plans. Let's not default to the position that only the active children in the business have to stay in the business. As well, maybe the inactive children will, over a period of time, say 5 years for a number, be bought out by the active children. But the active children may not have the financial capacity or resources from the estate or their own resources to do this on day one. So fair solutions and creative solutions still exist. Why is mentoring so important in the estate plan for a business owner or investor? Beyond the technical parts of creating that estate plan or succession plan, give some serious thought to the actual mentoring plan. You've accumulated a lot of knowledge and skill sets over the years. And it's not just the technical things of your business or investing. It's also the thought process, the spiritual, religious, moral beliefs that you have. Not that you're going to force those on the next generation, but there are some ways you want your next generation to be considering as they operate your portfolio or your business, because at some point you're not going to be able to. And that mentoring process is not something you're going to be able to do overnight. It takes some time. So give it some time. Allow yourself with your family to ramp up that mentoring process. And keep in mind that mentoring process may not just be the next generation of your family. It may be somebody completely outside of your family. But without that mentoring process, that ultimate plan is going to have a little bit of a rougher ride as compared to a plan that has had time to percolate and time for what if, back and forth questions, and that next generation or whomever to observe and play question and answer with you. If you want to learn more about this topic, please check out our estate planning playlist, and please go to our website, georgeeduby.com. Have more questions? Please subscribe, follow, and even share. I want all of us to have the tax information we need to do wonderful things.